Emilokan Tinubu's son, Seyi Tinubu, kneeled down as he seriously begged the people of Anambra to vote for his father because he married to an Igbo woman. All Progressive Party APC Bola Tinubu, Emilokan's son Seyi, has given a good reason and legit reason why the Anambra people should cast their vote for his father, their in-law. As he said, there is no other presidential candidate that is better than his father. The youngest Emilokan Seyi Tinubu, who was in Anambra to canvass and beg seriously for votes for his father, has told the people of Anambra that he married to an Igbo woman. That is a good and legit reason for them to vote for his father. He said Bola Ahmed Tinubu has the experience, tolerance, and is capable to change the fortune of Nigeria for the best and make the people of Igbo live like first-class citizens in the country. He also said that his father has the power across Nigeria to unite the Igbos, Yorubas, Fulanis, Efik, Ibibio, Hausa, and all other tribes together as one. He said that he's now begging Indi Anambra and the Igbo region at large to vote for his father because he married to an Igbo lady that is also part of them. Meanwhile, while Seyi Tinubu is begging the Igbo to vote for his father, his stepmother, Pastor Remi Tinubu, has once said she did not trust the Igbos, that his husband did not need the vote of the Igbo to win the presidential race.
I go know. Igbo, we not dey trust in again. My sister born for me.